Well, this particular video we're going to talk about the errors, and there are two types of errors. First one is errors which will allow the trial balance to balance. That means errors not shown by your trial balance, TB. What do you mean by not shown by trial balance? Your trial balance will still balance, but there could be some mistakes. What are the mistakes? These are the mistakes. Error of omission. Where is commission? Error of omission, commission, original entry, reversal of entry, principal. There we go, the commission. Compensating, they didn't put it. I do have a mnemonic for that one. Call it COPCOR. COPCOR. Some people say it's Rob Cop. Rob is the cop. COPCOR. COPCOR. Whatever you say. COPCOR. Let's go along with the COPCOR. So COPCOR are the errors. If it happens, your trial balance will still balance, but you need to look for the errors and make it correct. C. O stands for omission. It's O of our this O. Let's assume O, one of the O's I have taken. Error of original entry, another O. This is another O, original entry. R for reversal. R for reversal, and that's my reversal been taken. P for principal. That's my P. P for principal. And C for commission. Error of commission. We do have two C's are there. And one C is not given here, but that's what you can take it. Compensating. When two errors coincidentally cancels each other out, that is compensating error. That's your COPCOR or Rob Cop. You know, under the Rob Cop, the compensating doesn't come. So yeah, Rob Cop is also a nice one. Yeah, reversal, original entry, principal, commission, omission. Another P. So the Rob Cop instead of the Rob Cop, COPCOR is the good one. Okay, but I have seen quite a few teachers, they have been using Rob Cop. I prefer COPCOR. Let's go through the discussion. Error of omission, when both sides of your transactions has been completely left out. You forgot to put an entry because you are too tired, and you forgot, maybe you're too busy, rushing. So both debit side and credit side, there is no entry. Omission. Original entry, when one side of your debit is correct but the other side is not. For example, an entry has been made so that the debit equals to credit, but the amount is incorrect. Yeah, sorry. Original entry, the one I just said is about partly original entry. That's not the one. Original entry means when the figures are wrong. It should have been £1,000, but you have written for £100. That's your original entry. Bad figures. Please write it down. Bad figures. That's your original entry. So your both debit and credit shown 100, not the 1,000 or whatever. So that's the example of your original entry. Reversal, completely reversed. Debit you did credit, and credit you did debit. That's your reversal. Error of principal. Principal and commission are kind of likewise, but error of principal when you write wrong type of account, like asset. You treat it as an expense, or it could be vice versa. Like for example, £100 spent on repairing is an expense. Motor vehicle has been recorded as what? Motor vehicle debit means asset debit. And bank credit. Bank is fine, but this is not fine. This should have been the expense, right? Error of commission. The commission is when you write into the wrong account. It's not the wrong type. The other one is completely wrong category. This is just wrong account. Like instead of one expense account, you're putting into another expense, one person's account to another person. For example, 200 spent on telephone cost has been recorded as insurance debit instead of telephone insurance debit. The bank is always credit going to be. That's your commission. And compensating means when two errors cancel each other. Like by mistake you did purchase debit £10 higher, and could be sales credit £10. Now both of these are mistake, but these two mistakes are cancelling each other out. It doesn't affect your trial balance. And yes, these are the examples and definitions of COPCOR, which allows the trial balance to balance, and it doesn't identify any error into the trial balance. If these errors happens, your trial balance is still balanced. Check out the next quick video regarding which causes the imbalance into the trial balance.